Hello guys, welcome to Everything Metallurgy, and in this video I'm going to brief you out about the live batch starting on December 26th. Okay, so I have already announced in one of our previous videos that from December 26th there will be a live batch for GATE 2021 students. So in this video we'll see how the course is structured and what you will get and what is the cost, and also please stay tuned till the end. So in this live batch basically we'll be discussing last 10 to 15 years papers. Okay, so year wise we'll go from 2020 to backwards. Okay, so what we do basically is that we take, let's say, 2020 paper and we completely spend a day to discuss about 1 mark questions, and on the other day we'll be doing 2 mark questions, and the next day we'll actually go for another paper. Okay, so in this way for the next 45 days we'll completely focus on all the 10 to 15 year question papers and the previous year questions. It's not that just we are writing the question and just showing you the answer. No, we'll be explaining you in detail what is the concept behind it, and we are also providing some references if at all there is something that you need to study according to that. So with this, what happens is that your preparation will be solid enough. Okay, so you will get to know all the 10 to 15 year questions and the concept behind them. And I forgot to mention these previous year questions except APT. Okay, that means you will be discussed only 55 technical questions. Okay, so aptitude we are actually not discussing. Why? Because we will be providing 10 general aptitude tests for you. Okay, which are again designed according to the GATE, and some are even taken directly from previous year GATE questions, so that you will get an idea how aptitude questions are also asked. And along with it you will be all added to a WhatsApp doubts forum. Okay, so all students will enroll for this batch will be interactive in this for any other doubts or any discussions, so that this is helpful for all the students who will be under this. Okay, and now one more important thing is I'm getting some questions ki what if I miss the live session. Of course we are actually naming it a live batch, but we are planning in such a way that at the end of the same day the recording will be available for everyone who will be present in the live batch. Okay, so you will be getting the recordings that you can see using our app or our website. Okay, so where you can also find these tests as well as the recordings. So you will get each and every video recording where you can see maximum of 3 times. Okay, so that if someone is wanting to revise a particular year particular question, they can do it. Okay, so this 45 days try to make it so useful. I know many people have already enrolled us. Everything Metallurgy has been getting more than 100 enrollments in the last 4 months. You have supported a lot, so this batch is also requested by many of the people, which is actually beneficial for you only. Okay, so now what else you get? You will be getting 5 full tests. Okay, so these tests are our own designed tests which are according to the revised syllabus. Okay, we know that there have been some tiny little changes in GATE syllabus, so we are actually uploading these 5 full test series starting from next week. So you will be getting these also, and you will be given a proper plan how to go about it. Okay, so all these we are providing at only rupees 2499. Okay, so this is the cost of this plan. And again I think I am getting many queries regarding the cost also. So for 2499 rupees you will be getting a 45-day live training, and of course you'll be getting all the recordings of it, where we are going to discuss last 10 to 15 year question papers. Year wise we are going to discuss. So we'll be discussing 55 technical questions, and we'll actually not discuss the aptitude tests, but we are providing you the questions, the aptitude tests that you get. Okay, so, and of course the doubt forum where you can discuss all the doubts. And the best part is, even if you miss, it's not that if you miss you will not get it. No, you will get a recording, so you can revise the same lecture again. Okay, and of course you will be getting 5 full tests which will be used for mock practice, right? So how to enroll now? So all this is at 2499, and we gave the link in the description. So this link will directly take you, okay, this link will directly take you to the payment page. So if people are interested, so please go and you can enroll under us, and we'll get your details, and immediately we'll be adding you to the WhatsApp group. And if at all someone is paying and we are not getting back to them, please send us on WhatsApp. Please ping us on WhatsApp, which is again given in the description. So yeah, that's it for this video, a short video explaining about the batch and how it is going to be. So looking forward to see many of you in the batch. So that's it guys, thank you. We'll meet you tomorrow with one more interesting video. All the best for GATE 2021.